Welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and we're gonna get this video going before the rest of my hair goes completely flat. I don't know about you, but my hair is on shelter in order mode, which means it's basically doing whatever the heck it wants and doesn't really care what I want it to do. So that being said, let's jump right into this video. I am so excited because I am working with a leggings company called Cubidupi, and they generously sent me some leggings for review. So I'm going to be doing a first impressions unboxing and bagging, and then I will do a quick try on for you all. So let's jump into the bag. I was drawn to working with this company because I went online and took a look at their patterns, and their patterns are so cute. So if you are a leggings lover, you are gonna love everything that they have to offer. I really should have cut this bag open before we started. All right, here we go. Woo! So yeah, like I said, they have like subtle prints, they have really bold prints. Most of their leggings are either very high-waisted to like mid-high waist. So yeah, let's jump in and pull them out and show you guys what I got. So this is the first pair, and let me say, these are so buttery soft. Holy cannolis. So these ones are pink. They have like a gold confetti print to them. Nice and stretchy, and like I said, these are so so One of the things that really attracted me to working with them is that before we got our shelter in place order, I was doing jazzercise, in class jazzercise, and I wanted more workout leggings. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. And then of course everything changed, and so now they're just gonna be my daily wear. The next pair, ooh, this was one of my favorites that I saw on the site. This is a lighter pink pair, and it has this like rose tattoo print all over it, and again, like so buttery soft. This one has that more traditional like athletic legging waistband, whereas this one just has like the simple elastic waistband, and their leggings do both. They have not both, but some of their leggings have one and some have the other. You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying. These ones I just thought were so cute, so I had to get them. So they're little sharks. Look how cute it is. And then on the legs, they say, it says free hugs. How cute is that, right? I just thought it was so funny and cute. So yeah, it says, oh, it's gonna be upside down and backwards. Here we go. If I can do this, I swear I can. Free hugs. Isn't that adorable? I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, oh man, seriously, I cannot get over like how soft and stretchy these are. And then the last pair, that was 3. Yep, that was 3 pairs already. The last pair that I chose are more of a traditional workout style. So the waistband says workout. These ones are shorter. These aren't a full length. And down the leg, it says work out. Yeah. So I am going to go ahead and just try on each pair to show you what they look like on. And I'm in my original filming spot. That was quite the process to do that, but yeah, that's how the leggings look on me. Just for reference, I am 5'2" and currently 180 pounds, but they are like the super soft and just so comfortable to wear. The full length ones, there's quite a bit of bagging at the ankle. I don't really mind that. Normally, even with my leggings, I'll just cuff them a little bit. So that's not a super big deal to me. Cubidupi has very graciously given me a referral link and a discount code. Thanks. The discount code will get you 20% off any purchase that you make, so that's super awesome. Thank you so much to everyone over at Cubidupi for that. So I will link down, well, I will let you know the names down below of the leggings that I have, and then I will have my link and the discount code, which is just Modern Retro. So again, you'll get 20% off. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you are a leggings lover, let me know down below after you check out their website which ones are your favorites. And if you're gonna purchase any, let me know which ones you purchase. If you do and you have Instagram, I would love to have you tag me and the company in an Instagram photo so I can see which ones you got. So that is it for me for today. I hope you guys are doing all great. Life is just really strange over here. My son is now going to be home for the rest of the school year. And it doesn't look like we are gonna break out of this house until at least May 3rd. Hopefully, they don't have to extend our shelter order again. If they do, I understand why, but it's getting harder and harder every day. So that is it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing great. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell for the notifications so that every time I upload, you know when to go on and watch. So yep, that's it for me. See you guys soon.